Question is asking what is the shortest distance between these lines. We know x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 divided by b is equal to z minus z1 divided by c is the standard form of a straight line, right? This is the standard form of a straight line. So I may write this implies to me x1 comma y1 comma z1 that is equal to minus 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 5, correct? So this implies to me that the vector a1 that is equal to minus I cap minus 3j cap minus of 5k cap, right? Similarly, what is this value of a1 comma b1 comma c1 that is equal to 3 comma 3 comma 7. So I can say this implies to me that vector b1 that is equal to 3 I cap plus 3j cap plus what is it 7k cap, right? Plus 7k cap. Similarly, x2 comma y2 comma z2 that is equal to I can say 2 comma 4 comma 6 and this is a2 b2 c2 a2 b2 c2 that is equal to what is it 1 comma 3 comma 5, right? 1 comma 3 comma 5. This implies to me that vector a2 that is equal to 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap, right? So this implies to me that vector b2 that is equal to I cap plus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap, right or not? 5 k cap. So now you solve a2 minus a1. You solve this a2 minus a1. What do you get when you solve a2 minus a1? You will get 2 minus of minus 1 will be 3 I cap and then 4 minus of minus 3 will be 7 j cap and then 6 plus 5 will be equal to 11 k cap, right? And then you solve b1 cross b2. What do you get? Vector b1 cross vector b2 will be equal to the determinant of I cap j cap k cap, I cap j cap k cap, then 3 3 7 and then 1 3 5. So what is this answer that we get? I cap into 5 3s are 15 minus 21 which is nothing but minus 6 minus j cap into, leave the row and column. What do you get? 15 minus 7 will be equal to 8 plus k cap into, leave the row and column. What do you get? 9 minus 3 will be equal to 6. So now this is nothing but b1 cross b2. So we know the distance formula, that is nothing but vector a2 minus vector a1 dot b1 cross b2, vector b1 cross vector b2 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. This is the formula for shortest distance between any two lines, yes or no? Any two skew lines for that matter. When you look here only you can get to know that they are skew lines. The component a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 or vector component b1 b2 are not equal, so that's why it's a skew line. So you see here, what is this answer that we get? D is equal to, numerator you concentrate, 3 into minus 6 will be minus 18, correct? When you take the dot product between this one and this one. So then minus 8, this is nothing but minus 56 and then plus 66, 11 6 are 66, 8 7s are 56 minus 18. So here two minus of minus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 5 11. So here it will be 3 5s are 15 minus 21 will be minus 6 minus 15 minus 7 is 8 plus k cap 9 minus 3 6. So divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. Divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. If you look at the options here, shortest distance between these two lines, right? One, 3 and 5, 3, 5, 7. This should be 3, 5, 7 in the question. It is 3, 5, 7, right? So this should be 3, 5 and 7. So this should be 5 j cap, right? 5 j cap. So if you see here, this is nothing but 3, 5 and 7. So I cap into, leave the row and column, 25 minus 21 should be 4, right? Then leave the row and column. So this is correct. Leave the row and column. 9 minus 5 will be 4. So if you see this, here the answer will be 12. Here the answer will be 12. And then here answer will be 12 minus 56 plus 44. Plus 44. So here divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. If you can see magnitude of b1 cross b2, that is equal to root of 16 plus 64 plus 16. Correct. Root of how much? 64 plus 32. 64 plus 32. So your answer to the question will be 96. Root 96. So here the answer to the question will be equal to what? 0 divided by anything is 0. So the answer to the question corresponds to the option number A. This is the answer.